Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to enroll your Comerica bank account in Zelle. If you don't have a Comerica bank account, we will put our referral link in the description below for you to register and get a $50 MasterCard reward card. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your user ID and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Transfers. Then here, you will see a tab that says Send Money with Zelle. Click on Send Money with Zelle. Now on this page, click on Get Started. Now, read all the terms and conditions. So after reading, click on the Accept and Continue button. Next, select how you want to receive the code, either email or text. After selecting, click on Continue. Also, read the notice regarding receiving text messages. After that, click on Continue. Once you receive the code, enter it. Then click on Verify. On this page, confirm your account by clicking on the Confirm Account button. That's how you enroll your Comerica bank account in Zelle. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.